Hello everyone, welcome back to EduAnt online teaching platform. At the section today we are going to discuss real numbers, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. Actually this is a continued class in the competitive corner. Have a look at question number 9. Which of the following is equals to cube root of x into y square divided by x square into y? Option A, x power minus 5 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3. Option B, x power minus 1 by 3 into y power minus 5 by 3. Option C, x power 5 by 3 into y power 1 by 3. Option D, x power 1 by 3 into y power 5 by 3. So clearly we need to understand. So cube root of x into y square can be written cube root of x into cube root of y square. So according to nth root a and b, nth root of ab can be written nth root a into nth root b. Am I clear? So it is divided by x square into y, x square into y. So therefore it can be written nth root x can be written x power 1 by 3. So cube root of x can be written x power 1 by 3 into, so cube root of y square can be written y power 2 by 3. So according to formula, nth root a power m can be written a power m by n. So cube root of y square can be written y power 2 by 3 whole by x square into y, x square into y. So again, so what is the numerator value, x power 1 by 3 given, denominator x square given. So just we can recall the a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. Therefore it can be written x power 1 by 3 minus 2. X is a base. By using a power m whole by a power m, n equals to formula a power m minus n. Am I clear? So it can be written x power 1 by 3 whole by x square can be written x power 1 by 3 minus 2 m minus n. This is m value, this is n value. Similarly, so that formula applies to second form, y power 2 by 3 whole by y. It can be written y power 2 by 3, y power here denominator y power 1, okay, nothing but minus 1. Am I clear? So it can be written x power 1 by 3 minus 2 value minus 5 by 3, because 3 is LCM, 1 minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 3. So into y power 2 by 3 minus 1, 3 LCM, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So what is the required answer? X power minus 5 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3. So option A is right answer. So let's go to question number 10. What is the value of square root of 3 into 5 power minus 3 divided by cube root of 3 power minus 1 into root 5 again into 6th root of 3 into 5 power 6. Option A 5 by 2, option B 2 by 5, option C 5 by 3, option D 3 by 5. So firstly, so this is a first value, this is second value, this is third value, because according to Bodmer's law, so which operation taken first? So division taken first. So first one we are go with division. So it can be written as, so square root of 3 into 5 power minus 3, square root of 3 into 5 power minus 3 whole by divided by 3 into 5 power minus 3 divided by, so cube root of 3 power minus 1 into root 5 given. So into root 5, this is into root 5. So into 6th root of 3 into 5 power 6. Am I clear? So square root of a into b can be written square root of a into square root of b. Just like that, it can be written root 3 into root 5 power minus 3. Am I clear? Whole by, so it can be written cube root of 3 power minus 1 into root 5. So it is also written as 6th root of 3 into 6th root of 5 power 6. So therefore it can be written as, so square root of 3, nothing but 3 power 1 by 2. It can be written as exponent, square nothing but power 1 by 2 into square root of minus square root of 5 power minus 3 can be written 5 power minus 3 by 2. So according to what is the formula? Square root of a power minus n can be written. So a power minus n by 2, just like that, whole by. So it can be written cube root of 3 power minus 1 can be written 3 power minus 1 by 3. Actually nth root, so clearly we need to understand nth root of a can be written a power 1 by n. Am I clear? So next one, root 5 can be written 5 power 1 by 2. Am I clear? Into, so it can be written 6th root 3 can be written 3 power 1 by 6, and 6th root 5 power 6 can be written 5 power 6 by 6. So therefore it can be written as again. So what is here 6 cancel, okay na? Right. So what is 3 power 1 by 2 whole by 3 power minus 1 by 3. So a power m divided by a power n, a power m minus n, nothing but 3 power 1 by 2. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So according to formula a power m whole by a power n equals to a power m minus n, but here minus into minus plus 1 by 3 into, similarly it is also written as 5 is a base, a power m whole by a power n, a power m minus n. So what is m value? Minus 3 by 2, n value minus 1 by 2 into, so what is the remaining value? Is 3 power 1 by 6 into 5 only, because 6 cancel. So it can be written as 3 power, so 2 into 3, 6 is LCM. According to cross multiplication, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, nothing but 5 by 6 into, so it here 5 power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 is LCM. So 2 to LCM, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 into 3 power 1 by 6 into 5, but here 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it can be written 3 power 5 by 6. Again here what I am given, what I am getting 3 power 1 by 6. So base 3 can be written side by side. Again what is the remaining values? 5 power minus 2 into 5. So again we can remember that formula, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Therefore it can be written 3 power 5 plus 6, 5 by 6, 3 power 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So m value 5 by 6, n value plus 1 by 6 into 5 power minus 2 can be written 1 by 25, because so it is a power minus n can be written a power 1 by a power minus n can be written 1 by a power n, nothing but 1 by 5 square into 5 directly. So clearly we need to understand. So 3 power 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 3 power 5 by 6, 1 by 6, 6 LCM, 5 plus 1, 6. Am I clear? So 6 LCM power value, 5 plus 1, 6 into 1 by 5 square value 25 into 5. So here 6 cancel, we will get 3 into here 5 1s are 5s are. So 3 by 5 is the required answer. So 3 by 5, option D is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 11. What is the value of root 2 whole by 5 whole power 8 divided by root 2 by 5 whole power 13? So option A 3125 whole by root 2. Option B 3125 whole by 2 root 2. Option C 3125 whole by 4 root 2. Option D 3125 whole power 8 root 2. So we know a power m divided by a power n equals to a power m minus n. This is the formula. So here a is the nothing but base values, m is a power, and again also n is a power. So clearly we need to understand. So root 2 by 5 whole power 8 is divided by root 2 by 5 whole power 13. So that is a given expression. Therefore it can be written root 2 by 5 whole power m minus n, nothing but 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13. Also it can be written as root 2 by 5 whole power 8 minus 13, nothing but minus 5. So we know the formula a by b whole power minus n can be written b by a whole power n. So according to that formula, so it can be written, so root 2 by 5 can be written 5 by root 2 whole power 5. Am I clear? A by b whole power minus n can be written b by a. So minus will be cancelled power value. So fraction nothing but reverse. You can written reverse. Here also the same similarity has follows. So pi power 5 value 3125 by, so it can be written root 2 whole power 5. So it can be again expressed as 5 power 5 whole power root 2 whole power 5. Am I clear? So 5 by root 2 whole power 5 can be written 5 power 5 whole by root 2 whole power 5. So pi for 5 value 3125 whole by, it can be written root 2, it can be written root 2 whole power 5 can be written root 2 whole power 4 into root 2 according to a power m into a power n. So according to a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 5 can be written power value root 2 whole power 5 can be written 4 plus 1. It can be written root 2 whole power 4 into root 2. So root 2 whole power 5. Okay. So it can be written 3125 whole by. So root 2 whole power 4 also it can be written 2 power 4 by 2 into root 2. Am I clear? So here 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it can be written as 312 whole by 2 square. 2 square nothing but 4 into root 2. This is the required answer. Am I clear? So which option is right answer? Option C is the right answer. So let's go to question number 12. Root 2 square into 5th root 1024 whole by cube root of 64 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 value. Simplify that equation. Option A minus 2, option B 2, option C 1, option D 1 by 2. So root 2 whole square it can be written 2 because square root cancel. Okay. Into 5th root 1024 can be written 1024 whole power 1 by 5 whole by, so cube root of 64 nothing but it can be written 64 whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 can be written 2 power minus 1 because a power minus n can be written 1 by a power n. So a inverse can be written 1 by a. So clearly 1 by 2 can be written 2 inverse whole power minus 2. So clearly we need to understand. So it can be written, it can be becomes 2 into 1024 which number? So this is a 2 power 10 value or 4 power 5 value because in the power value especially exponent value 1 by 5. So what is the denominator of exponent 5? So it is also written power 5 nothing but we have to take 4 power 5 value 1024 whole power 1 by 5. But here denominator exponent 1 by 3 nothing but 64 base value also written in cubic value nothing but cancel. Okay. According to cancellation it can be written 4 cube whole power 1 by 3 minus a power m whole power n, a power m into n minus 1 into minus 2 to 2 square. So again it can be written. So here 5 cancel because a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 5 into 1 by 5 1. Here also 3 cancel, a power m whole power n, a power mn. So 2 into 4 whole by 3 cancel, only 4 left it is. So 2 square nothing but 4 cancel. What you are getting? 2 minus 4 nothing but minus 2. So which option right answer? Option A is right answer. So let's go to question number 13. Simplify 3 power n into 9 power n plus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 into 9 power n minus 1. Option A 343, option B minus 343, option C minus 243, option D 243. So what is the given equation? 3 power n into 9 power n plus 1 is divisible by 3 power n minus 1 into 9 power n minus 1. So simplify the following equation. Nothing but it can be written as 3 power n into, so 9 power n plus 1 can be written 3 power 3 square whole power n plus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 into 9 can be written 3 square whole power n minus 1. Am I clear? So it can be written as 3 power n into, so a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 2 into n, 2n plus 2 into 1, 2 whole by, it can be written denominator 3 power n minus 1 into a power m whole power n, a power m into n, nothing but 2 into n, 2n minus 2, 2 into n, 2 into 1. Am I clear? So clearly we need to observe what is again formula, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, a power m into a power n equals to formula a power m plus n. So clearly we need to observe. So this is a base are equal here, okay, 3 base. So this is a n, this is 2n plus 2. What is total? 3 power 3 power n plus 2n plus 2, n plus 2n plus 2 whole by, what is the denominator? A power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2. Am I clear? So it can be written as, so n, so what is the power values here? N plus 2n plus 2, n plus 2n plus 2, denominator n minus 1, 2n minus 2, n minus 1, 2n minus 2. So here what you are getting, 3 power n plus 2n, 3n plus 2 whole by, here 3 power n plus 2n, nothing but 3n minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Am I clear? Again it can be written as a power m whole power n, a power m whole by a power n equals to a power m minus n. Okay, since a power m whole by a power n equals to a power m minus n, therefore it can be written 3 power 3n plus 2. So that is a m value. What is n value? 3n minus 3. So minus n, nothing but minus 3n plus 3. Clearly we need to understand. So 3 power m value 3n plus 2, again all by 3 power a power n value 3n minus 3. So minus n, nothing but it is multiplied with minus. This is a negative, this is a positive. So minus 3n plus 3n cancel. What you are getting? 3 power 2 plus 3, 5. So what is the 3 power 5 value? 243. You know, 3 power 4 value 81. 81 into 3. 81 into 3. 243. So is the required answer. 243 is right answer. 243, option D is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 14. The number of composite numbers between 101 and 120 are option A 11, option B 12, option C 13, option D 14. So in that case, what I am given? Composite number. So what is the difference between composite number and prime number? A number which contains exactly 2 factors is prime number. A number which contains more than 2 factors is composite number. So composite number means a number which has more than 2 factors or divisors. So that is called composite number. So in that interval between 101 to 120, so how many composite numbers are there? So clearly we need to observe except 2, especially evens. All evens are composite number except 2, because every even number has more than 2 factors except 2. Am I clear? So between 101 and 120, nothing but what? So it is taken from 102. So 102 is a prime number. Sorry, 102 is a even number. 101 is a prime number. So between means what? 102 is a even number. So it is a composite number. So because even, so except 2, all evens are composite numbers. 103 is a prime number. Again 104 even, that is a composite. Again 105 also composite number because it is exactly divisible by 5. Other table. So a number exactly divisible by other table, that is called composite. A number is exactly divisible by same table, exactly divisible by itself, that is prime number. So 105, it is divisible by 5, it is also composite. Again 106 even number, it is also composite. 107 is a prime number, not a composite. 108 even number, this is a composite. 109 is a prime number. Again 110 is a even number, it is also composite. Again 111 is a composite number because what is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. It is exactly divisible by 3. So 112 even number, it is also composite number. Again, so 112, okay na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 112. Again 113 is not a composite. 113 is a prime number. Again 114 is even, nothing but composite. 115, it is exactly divisible by 5. It is also composite. 116 is a even number, it is also composite. 117 also composite number because what is a divisible rule of 3? 1 plus 1 plus 7, 9. It is exactly divisible by 3. Again 118 is a composite number because even number. So 119 is also composite number because 119 it can be written as 17 into 7. So it is also composite. So between 101 to 120, don't take an 120 because the interval between 101 to 120 means 120 do not calculate it in that counting. So how many composite numbers are appears between 101 to 120? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Option D is right answer. Am I clear? So let us continue. Question number 15. A set of whole numbers satisfy property or properties under multiplication. Option A, closure property. Option B, competitive property. Option C, associative property. Option D, all of these. So whole number, it can be denoted as W. So W, it can be written. So W nothing, set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, set of all positive integers including 0, that is called whole number. So first option what I am given, closure property. So what is a closure property? So product of two whole numbers result also a whole number, that is a closure property. So let me take in two whole numbers 2 and 3. They are multiplied together, we will get 6 is the result. So 2 and 3 are whole numbers. The product value also a whole number. It is called closure property. So whole number satisfy the closure property. So option A, one of the options. So A is the one of the options. So it is satisfied, closure property satisfied. Okay. So option B, what I am given, option B, competitive property. Yes, what is competitive property? So A into B, it can be written B into A. So if it is satisfied that condition, it is a competitive property. So for example, 3 into 4 taken. 3 into 4, it can be written 4 into 3. So both are equals to 12. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 3 also 12. So it is called competitive property. So option B also satisfy that condition. So whole number satisfy the competitive property. Option B also one of the options. C, what I am given, associative property. So associative property means A into B into C can be written as A into B into C. So this is called associative property. So A into in bracket B into C can be written A into B bracket into C. So for example, 2 into 3 into D. Within the bracket what I am given, what I am taken, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 equals to, it can be written as A into B, nothing but 2 into 3, close the bracket, into C, 4. So 3 into 4 according to Bodmer. So within bracket taken first, 3 into 4, 12, 12 2 is a 24. So here 2, 3 is a bracket value, 6 into 4 also 24. So both are equals to 24. It is also satisfy the associative property. So option C is also one of the options. So then answer is all of these is the required answer. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.